My name is Nathan Thompson, and our office is doing the lighting design for the Malkai. We've made a few projects with GHM before, including the Chetty here in Muscat. What we try to bring to the project is make the mood, really. We try to make the lighting support the architecture, and we try to make the lighting make the place feel the way that we want it to feel, so that it feels a little bit unreal. What we try to do is to make the place feel very special, and so we use techniques that maybe come from our experience in the theatre, maybe come from some work that we do in new media and in art, and it's often about making the contrast very high, lighting things in a way that is not as it is to be expected in the daytime. So yeah, the contrasts are very high. There is accent that supports the ideas of what the architecture and the interior is doing. Working with the architects, we found that the project has a lot to do with screens and lattices and the way the light is filtered by the screens and lattices. And we're using screens and lattices in the designs of a lot of the artificial light fixtures as well. This combined with lots of shiny, reflective water surfaces means we get beautiful nighttime perspectives, lots of highlights on little accents. The interior lighting is more to do with making soft, familiar, comfortable places for the guests and for the residents. Whereas the exterior lighting is about supporting what the architecture is doing, about bringing another story to the way the architecture and the interior is understood at night. We have a balancing game to play between making a kind of light which is comfortable for people and also a kind of light that is strong and expressive for the architecture. These two ideals are somewhat contradictory, and so there's a balancing game that we need to play to make sure that people feel comfortable, but still the place feels like a beautiful, perhaps filmic, perhaps theatrical kind of environment.